After the after party and back to the hotel lobby and
I like this.
already?
Good.
Nigga, was that gum? I like her. Serena Williams kicked that nigga ass. She in peeps, ain't she?
They got a pink deal though. Ooh, that's
That
cold.
yeah, that was pretty dope. She cute.
You think they got a brain freeze?
You really play that line corny and funny sometimes. Ooh, bounce on the dick.
I like those little velvet boots though.
I like her.
You think Lil Yachty gonna have pink beads in his hair?
Oh man, are we taking a bet on that one?
Yeah. Let's bet black and mild.
Alright. I think he's going to, but I'll take the bet. Hey man, that looked like a damn. That was freaky. That looked like a cool party. Would you go to this party?
Only if it's after the after party.
Hopefully you got pussy by that time. Knowing my dumb ass, I be trying to chase her the whole night.
She the only person with 2 eyes in the video. Do some good chasing.
Let me find out she got an ass on her.
No, she don't.
She been bouncing all video though. I bet she can ride the hell out of it, dude. Are those pink? Those look red.
Yep, you owe me.
No, you owe me, nigga. That's
You
red.
said you taking a bet.
What? No, what? You said he was gonna have pink beads.
I did not.
You, nigga, it's on camera. We can rewind this shit. You owe me a black, nigga.
That don't even make sense. You white. I don't owe you a black nigga. That's like slavery.
Yeah, it's exactly like slavery.
I like this little video though.
Yeah. Is this for titty awareness? Damn, we didn't even pay attention to Yachty verse, bro. That shit was short as hell. Are you mad that you missed it?
Yachty gonna beat Soulja Boy ass.
Shit. I fucks with Soulja.
Soldier.
Soulja got one of the best songs in rap history, Turn My Swag On. Anybody that disagree with that can eat a fucking shitty ass. That was dope. How they had the hand with the head, and that was hard. She got one of them Lane Kiffin vibes on.
What's your fun curse visor? It's okay.
What happened to
I
my
liked it. I
curse?
mean, it was a fun video.
Wasn't no Tina Shay. Yeah, but
getting in no car ass first though. This nigga got in the car ass first. Whoa, dude.